Very interesting where the water condition, how it feels rotting to here to what it was there, and I think it's a lot to do with the wind. I can tell the tide is down a little bit, probably a couple feet, maybe, let's give or take 3 feet. But I figured to share that because it's kind of wild how the water condition changes. I've never felt it where you can feel it's a little bit more, you can feel it, I don't want to say rough, but you can feel it when you're riding, coming down this way, and then it's totally calm, like it feels real smooth. It's interesting. But you can kind of tell the tide's down a little bit. Here's probably the best spot. You can see the water line. That's probably the best to share it right there. So let's say give or take 3, 4, maybe, well, 4 feet, 3, 4 feet. That's hard to tell from here. Maybe it's about 3, possibly almost 4. You can feel the wind is like going this way towards the beach. That's probably why they have the red flag, because if the wind's going out to sea, the current will pull you way out there and you're not swimming back in. Once red flag, definitely in the ocean, don't go out there. You already have to worry about the riptide and current, and then you got sharks out there too. Can't guarantee some bull sharks are in here right now, and alligators hiding somewhere. They're out here. They're out here.
I am wheels fall, I'm on road rage. I've been on the run, that high up and been trying to kill emotion. I've been on the run, that high up and yeah. Hey, the ceiling, I've been living out the moon roof with it. I'm in tune with my senses, kill the tune with my sentence every time. Yeah, I've been in the mood, got a feeling. What we doing, got a feeling, they ain't used to it. July years of the pledge when I said a new catch. Still ride for it, when I keep it flat to the land. Big flight to another 5 minute boom, I'm stopping the digital trap. Big slide to another 4 minute boom, I'm stopping the digital trap. I've been on the run, that high up and been trying to kill emotion. Yeah, love for the slums. That high up and
Woo! Yeah, I've really been wearing the wetsuit a lot more. It's hot out, but the water's super cold. So I've been wearing the part of the one piece. Well, it's a two-piece wetsuit, so I'm wearing the one piece. And Jettrim, as you can obviously tell, it's all matching stuff. So check them out too, jettrim.com. They make really nice riding gear. The same with the goggles for that. I think they still make these ones. The other ones they stopped making. Yeah, that was a fun ride ripping around. Man, refreshing too. I think I got the headbands too on my Amazon store, and I really find those really nice because once they get wet, like my head here is completely damp, it actually feels really nice cooling you down after the fact because it's wet. So I think you don't have to have long hair to wear one of these, but I find it actually a little bit nicer. Then you don't have to worry about having putting suntan lotion on your forehead and stuff. So that's on the Amazon store, amazon.com/shop/IamBeowulf. The one thing to share too, it's nice to have the depth gauge knowing, but you can go in or out both ways. I was always leery of going out this way, just because it could be shallow. You do risk having, because people fish off the side there, that fishing line or something could get caught in there, but it does save you like $5, 120 seconds going out that way. I always head out that way because it's like pretty much there, but we'll see what the depth. We're 14 feet still, 14 and a half. Well, about 13 and a half as they start strapping. 12 feet, 11 feet, 9 feet. It's about around 9 feet all the way around here. And if I had the Alligator, I'd be living in that drainage right there for a fact. I always forget that's there. And then you're like in the water. Yeah, definitely. Alligators just sit and wait. I'll just share. I think I shared a video, but I'll roll the clip again with that.
I can see her right here. She's coming right at me. I can't see her on the. I can't see her on the camera though. There she is. There she is in the camera. There she is. There she is. Look at that. Look at that. Right underwater. There you go. And that water's dark. I mean, this camera's making it light. That water's dark. Yeah, this is definitely the one we filmed when we came here. Boop.
That's what people realize when you're up to these docks in alligator waters. That's how it's done. This is also too on the Amazon store. Faraday bag. It's waterproof and floats. And it fits right into the dash. And I have my gear bag in the front. This is where I have my phone, wallet, keys. Yeah, thing looks so sharp, it's unbelievable. But if you guys are new to the channel, like I said before, hit that subscribe button. Existing subscribers, hit the bell notification and like the video. So much fun getting out here, ripping. Be driven to win. Remember, every day is Earth Day. Stay mighty and keep strong. And the workhorse, Triton LT aluminum trailer, Crown Vic, Ford Crown Vic P71 Police Interceptor.